Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to show you a little tip that I've been using. If you look here at the step bit, it basically is a bunch of drill bits not a bunch of drill bits, but it takes place for a bunch of different drill bits. So each time you go up a step, it's a little bigger, a little bigger, a little bigger. So for a while I've been using these black lines here, and that's just permanent marker. But what happens is it wears off quick, especially whenever you're using wax or an oil. So what I've started doing is, do you see this shiny spot here? It's kind of hard to see. I get to focus up here. As it spins around, you can see where that shiny spot is. Every time I was using the black marker for as many holes as I make at a time, it just wears off so fast. So I just did an experiment, and just by grinding off the edge, don't touch the cutting edge at all, but just do the back side, and it gives you a good mark. It's clear enough whenever it's spinning that you can see it. So it's right there. A lot different than there. The black permanent marker only lasts on there for so long. And this allows me to get the same size every time without having to try and count 1 or 2 or 3 steps. So I just wanted to show you that quick tip. They come in lots of different sizes. This one goes up to 1 3/8 inches, which is giant, bigger than I wanted to order, but it really helps when you want to make the holes the same size. So I start with just a pilot hole, and then I can use the step bit to get to this one. You can use the step bit to start the hole, but it's just a lot easier if you do a pre-drill. And these are probably a little too small. I'd go 1 step bigger. But that's my tip for today. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you later.